Most animals live on the forest floor to protect them from danger like wind or rain. The forest floor has plenty of food such as plants, grass, and plenty of insects. Some animals have even adapted to eating the tough needles that are everywhere in the temperate rainforest. Some people may think that the forest is all colorful plants and flowers, but what it really is animals that blend into their own surroundings by having plain colors such as gray and brown. Animals in the temperate rainforest must be able to survive in very cold winters. Some have thick fur coats, some hibernate or migrate to warmer regions during the winter. Some animals in the temperate rainforest include beavers, raccoons, cougars, elk, and black bears. Some dangerous animals to be aware of are grizzly bears, gray wolves, and bobcats. All these animals look cute and friendly, but can be very vicious. However, there's also some very cool and interesting animals that are for sure worth taking your time and getting some cool photos of. For example, porcupines spike up when they get scared or threatened and are very neat to see when their quills are out. Beavers are also very intriguing animals to take a look at. They have sharp, thick teeth used for cutting down trees and creating their own habitat, preferably in a stream shallow in the valley. The temperate rainforest is definitely a place everyone should visit.
Temperate rainforests are scattered throughout the globe, but the largest one is found along the West Pacific coast of Canada and the U.S., stretching from Alaska to northern California. Other notable areas where temperate rainforests can be found are Chile, the United Kingdom, Norway, Japan, and New Zealand. Some major cities in North America within temperate rainforests include Anchorage, Prince Rupert, Vancouver Island, Vancouver, and Seattle. To experience the true beauty of temperate rainforests, some must-see areas include Great Bear Rainforest and the Avenue of Giants. Great Bear Rainforest stretches along the north and central coast of BC. It is home to the largest undeveloped span of temperate rainforest. Over 1/4 of all temperate rainforests are represented within the Great Bear. Another wonderful place to visit is located in North California called the Avenue of Giants. It's home to the ancient redwoods, which are some of the largest trees on the Pacific coast. An example, the Dyerville Giant is a 375-foot fallen tree that weighs more than a jumbo jet.
The temperate rainforest has an amazing biodiversity of plants. You can realize that if you look up into the trees and even on the floor of the forest. In this biome is a lot of precipitation. That is the reason why every plant can grow very good. For mosses, ferns, and fungi, this humid area is the perfect living space. You can see many flowers which you can't see in any other biome. Typical for the temperate rainforest are Coatls redwoods. These are extremely tall trees which spend a lot of shadow. As well, you can see special flowers like the fireweed. This is a pink flower which you can cook or eat raw. The flower has a lot of vitamin C. Another flower is the western skunk cabbage, which is yellow. This plant has this name because it smells bad. There are a lot to discover as a botanist in the temperate rainforest.
Receive up to 200 to 350 centimeters of rain each year in the warmest areas. So if you're wanting to travel there, it'd probably be best if you came prepared with your rain gear. Yosemite National Park is the only temperate rainforest in North America. The best months to travel there are May, June, and September, because that's the time of year where it's not too cold or not too hot. The weather's perfect. Unlike January, February, March, and December are the months where it's mostly rainy, and if you travel there, make sure you bring your rain gear with you. Also, if you're the kind of person who likes the heat, which is not most people, the best time to travel there are July and August. But lucky for us, every night of the year there, it cools off.